Have you ever looked at your hands and noticed they seem drier and more aged than you'd like? Especially during colder months, when the air lacks moisture, the skin on your hands can feel rough, cracked, and irritated. While many reach for lotions and creams, not all skincare products are as beneficial as they seem. In fact, some could be doing more harm than good. But don't worry. There's a natural way to deeply nourish and restore your hands, helping them look and feel healthier than ever. Understanding what affects your hands. The skin absorbs everything applied to it. This means that anything you put on your hands doesn't simply disappear. It gets absorbed into your pores, enters the bloodstream, and ultimately impacts your body. Many commercial skincare products contain petroleum-based ingredients, which can strip away essential fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This depletion can leave the skin dehydrated, irritated, and prone to premature aging. Another factor that contributes to dry, aging hands is exposure to chemicals in tap water. Elements like fluoride and chlorine are commonly found in water supplies and can be harsh on the skin, leading to irritation and dryness. Frequent hand washing, while necessary for hygiene, can also disrupt the natural balance of oils and beneficial microbes that protect the skin. The role of beneficial microbes. Your skin is home to countless friendly microbes, including bacteria and fungi, that play a crucial role in keeping it healthy. These microbes form a protective barrier that helps defend against harmful pathogens while also maintaining the skin's natural balance. Overwashing, using harsh soaps, and applying chemical-laden products can disrupt this delicate ecosystem, making the skin more vulnerable to damage. Interestingly, the pH of the skin is slightly acidic, typically ranging between 4 and 4.5. This acidity helps maintain a healthy environment for beneficial microbes to thrive. When the skin becomes too alkaline due to harsh cleansers or exposure to certain chemicals, it can lead to inflammation, irritation, and increased sensitivity. Internal health reflects on the skin. While external care is essential, the condition of your skin is also a direct reflection of your internal health. Diet plays a significant role in skin hydration, elasticity, and overall appearance. Reducing refined carbohydrates, avoiding highly processed vegetable oils, and incorporating nutrient-dense foods can support healthier skin from within. Intermittent fasting and balanced nutrition help slow down oxidative stress, which contributes to premature aging. Natural remedy for softer, healthier hands. Instead of relying on commercial products that may contain harsh ingredients, you can nourish your hands with a simple, effective, and natural remedy using just 3 ingredients. Ingredients: 1 egg yolk, rich in fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, omega-3 fatty acids, and lecithin, which deeply nourish and restore the skin. 1 teaspoon of raw honey, preferably Manuka honey, contains natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Honey also acts as a humectant, helping to retain moisture while feeding beneficial skin microbes. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, olive oil provides deep hydration and supports skin repair. How to use. In a small bowl, whisk the egg yolk. Add the honey and olive oil, then mix well until smooth. Apply the mixture generously to your hands, ensuring even coverage. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb into the skin. Rinse your hands with lukewarm water. Avoid using soap immediately to let the natural oils continue their work. For best results, use this remedy twice a week, preferably before bedtime, to allow your skin to heal overnight without further washing. Final thoughts. Caring for your hands goes beyond just applying lotion. Understanding the impact of skincare ingredients, maintaining a balanced skin microbiome, and supporting your body with proper nutrition all contribute to healthy, youthful-looking hands. By making small yet effective changes, you can transform the look and feel of your skin naturally. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.